물은?
아?
색깔이 물은?
나눠서 세 당겨. 세 당겨.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. For all you dudes that been back here, you know, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing an installation for the car. It's gonna be an alarm and bypass. I'm gonna be doing it myself. I'm also gonna be showing you the fitment of the new rims and the new tires that I got. So right now we're gonna get to prep work on the alarm wiring to get everything settled. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. So let's get to that right now. Alright, so I plugged everything up. This here is the remote start. This here is the bypass. You're gonna connect it here on the small plug. And we're gonna do that once we get in the car. This is the main harness. This is the 8-wire one. We're only gonna be using 6 of these. The ones we're not gonna use, I already zip tied it, put it to the side. We're not using that one. Here we got parking light and horn, and then we also have the bypass same way, immobilizer wires. We have the trunk signal, but we're gonna use the cheat sheet, or you know, the wiring diagram to know where it's gonna go, and then we're gonna program it to work on the car with the key. So yeah, let's do that. Let's get everything prepped up. So here we have signal, shock sensor, remote control here. And we're not going to be using these wires, I don't think.
Got it!
You want to protect more than big.
Right there?
Yeah.
We got to take this out. Alright, quick update. I wired the main harness already. Everything is wired here to the corresponding wire. And then now we're only gonna have to wire up the horn. Gotta wire up the horn and the parking lights, and then we'll move on to the bypass wiring, and then it should be done. It's literally like on the where the key goes. So I forgot to show you guys the fitment. Well, not the fitment, but the rims. I had these a long time ago. I just didn't have tires for it, and I recently got the tires. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks good. I just gotta lower it a little more, maybe pull the fenders. But overall, the look of the car is great. These are the same rims, same ones. So we matching, we twins.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so after 3 days of trying to install it, I was able to finally get it. It wasn't hard. Just programming the tach was the hardest thing, because this is my first time doing a remote start alarm, and I had to do a lot more research than I thought after I had installed it in the car. So let me just show you guys all the features that it has and everything that I put on it. So we have the trunk, We have lock and arm. We have unlock for the driver door, and then unlock for the rest of the doors. And then we also have remote start. So I'm really happy that I was able to do this. They charge a lot at shops to do this, and I did it on my own. So right now we're gonna go wash the car because it's filthy, vacuum it, get all the wires out. Look at all that mess. Tape, wires, shit, wires. So yeah, let's get out of here. I'll see you guys over at the car wash. We at the car wash right now. We got all the homies out here. Peep this. Got the Type R. Gonna give it that wash. Let me know what you guys think about the fitment. Gotta fix that, get it lower. We out here.
Yo.
This is nice. Alright guys, so we just finished washing the car. I'm about to close the video out here. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, you know, help out the channel, support. And I'm gonna leave you guys with some cinematics of the car wash, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Fake star, window wipe.